Hey, welcome. Let me teach you how to make a woman fall in love deeply with you. Welcome to this moment of truth. Are you ready to win a woman's heart and earn her deep love? It's time to learn the secrets to making her feel seen, heard, and cherished. First, listen to her. Truly listen, don't just hear. Understand her dreams, desires, and fears. Show her you value her thoughts and opinions. Second, support her passions. Be her biggest cheerleader, encouraging her to pursue her goals and aspirations. Be her rock, her safe haven. Third, show appreciation. Small gestures, kind words, and thoughtful surprises can go a long way in making her feel loved and valued. Fourth, be present. Put away distractions and be fully present in your time together. Eye contact, gentle touch, and meaningful conversations will deepen your connection. Fifth, respect and trust. Build a foundation of mutual respect and trust. Be reliable, honest, and faithful. Lastly, love yourself. A woman can't love you deeply if you don't love yourself first. Embrace your worth, flaws and all.